In this lesson, we will simplify a product over a quotient, step by step, with clear visual cues that match my voice. Step 1. Write the expression exactly as given. This is 6a squared b cubed times 4ab squared, all over 8a squared b cubed. Step 2. Separate numbers, a powers and b powers, so we can combine like factors. We group the numbers 6 and 4 together, the a factors together, and the b factors together. Numbers in amber, a powers in blue, b powers in pink. Step 3. Multiply inside the numerator. 6 times 4 equals 24. A squared times it equals a cubed. B cubed times b squared equals b to the 5th. So the fraction becomes 24 a cubed b to the 5th over 8 a squared b cubed. Step 4. Cancel common factors. 24 over 8 simplifies to 3. A cubed over a squared leaves a to the 1 because we subtract exponents 3 minus 2. B to the 5th over b cubed leaves b squared because 5 minus 3 is 2. After all cancellations, the expression is 3ab squared. Step 5. Final simplify result. 3ab squared. Recap. We grouped like factors, multiplied in the numerator, and canceled common factors using exponent subtraction. The simplified expression is 3ab squared.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.